We just got to 427 garage, 600 miles, special delivery.
Straight out of the oven.
Out of the oven.
Good quality, yeah. No, I like it. Very happy. Got my engine for the Cobra delivered from the boss himself. Doesn't get better. So this is going into a Cobra, super performance, nice car. And now with the temperatures, we can't wait to get it on.
All right, we made it over to Tennessee today to drop off an engine. Longtime customer and really a dealer of ours for engines for the Super Performance here at 427 Garage with Marcus. And I think, how long has it been? 5, 6, 7 years?
About 6 years. Yep, 6 years.
So we've been supplying engines for the Cobras, GT40s, and then some various other projects. He's got a lot of nice stuff in the showroom. This is a brand new building. So we're really happy to be here. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by and for the quick service, dropping the engine off. That helps a lot, and I can't wait to get it in the car and have some fun. It's going to be good.
Very good.
You know, we worked together for several years, and it was a good journey so far. I like the product. I like the build quality, and the fact I like, which is very important, if I call you, somebody's answering the phone. So
I don't have my phone with me right now.
Not today. But anyway, it's a good thing that you can talk to people. You know, explain your wishes or the customer's wishes, and it's not this is A or B. You can really modify and build the engine to your standards, customer's wishes, different colors, valve covers, whatever it is, horsepower output. I like it that you guys build motors for a specific setup. You know, different cars require different engines. You can put anything in any car, but the question is if it works. It needs to work for the specific setup, and you need somebody who can not only build an engine, but who can put it together where the whole package is a fun driver.
So you got, what's the blue car? Is a R?
Blue car is Cobra R, Super Performance Cobra R, one of your engines, 427 8-stack, 588 horse on the dyno, if I recall, and 540 torque. Monster engine, super nice driver. Like, you can daily drive it to Walmart, get groceries. You can race. Has been super reliable, not a single issue so far. Runs strong, and the new owner will be more than happy.
Oh, that's right. You sold it.
I just sold, yeah.
So you bought 500 horse or 520s, that 575 that makes 580. What would be your go-to engine?
I always thought the 520 is a nice setup. I feel like it's a little less aggressive, and it's still everything is super drivable. The 520 is plenty of power for a Cobra. Since that car spoiled me, I would probably go for the 575 just because more is better.
Right, I like it. So I'd just like to say, you know, obviously we've taken a, I don't know, 6-7 hour trip today, drop off an engine and then pick up a car for some upgrades. But we really don't just sell engines to Marcus. You know, it's about building a relationship. I appreciate that he does send business our way, and I appreciate the way he does business. We try to partner with people that they have the integrity, the honesty and transparency with customers, and I think that's why this has been a successful relationship between us. So, you know, if you're in the Tennessee area, you're looking for, you know, Cobras, GT40s, Mustangs, service, and you need an engine, obviously from us, and you got Marcus here at 427 Garage.